You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this number once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations and counting in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Pronounced in English as 83, British English pronunciation 83. Now the Americans say 80 as 80. How to pronounce 83 or 83? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.